Because it is lightweight and easy to install, NextStone can be used for projects in many creative ways. Here, we will build a stone-look facade to cover these unattractive metal window wells. We measured beforehand, but these pictures show the inset required to fur a box with 90-degree corners into the rounded shape of the window well. Measure to the outside of your framing dimensions. Here, the measurement is 58 inches wide by 25 inches deep. We began by building a 2x3 frame for both ends and then attaching OSB to the outside wall frames to form a 3-sided support structure. Attach the OSB outside wall to the frames of the 2 side walls. Use window and door trim to cap the portion of the side walls where it will butt up against the building window frame or siding. Allow a 2-inch setback from the outside edge for the window door trim. This will allow room for the proper installation of the starter strip and the panels. Install the starter strip at a height above the ground needed to get a level installation. Since our concrete surface was virtually level, we used 2 thickness of the OSB laid flat to get the height we wanted for the starter strip. We recessed the starter strip to allow for the window door trim. Mark a vertical line for the setback of the panels on the side walls. Use a chop saw to cut 45-degree angles into the corners. Use a level as you go to make sure each row of panels remains level as you go up the walls. When you have completed the panels within 2 inches of the top, finish the wall by installing NextStone Ledger. Make sure the surface of the ground in the window well is level before you lower the facade down into the window well. This structure was heavy from the wood we used, so we installed handles to its back to help lower it into the window well. Attach a couple of support blocks to the wall where the bottom corner of the side walls will attach. Secure the top corners of the side walls to the building using L brackets. Once lowered, we used a large breaker bar and some muscle to maneuver the box into place around the window. Once it is properly aligned, attach the bottom corners to the support blocks. The finished product will be quite an improvement over the existing window well. Download our NextStone app for help with project takeoffs and other installation help. We hope you found this installation video helpful. See our other videos in the NextStone classroom on nextstone.com.